is that the generator and the engine is in line and not to the side of each other, and that means you have a lot more space available on this side, so you get more interior space in that way. And it has gas springs, so it's easy to fold up and gain access to the big engine room. Fisher Panda 19i genset, which is 15 kilowatts, and then you have a 110 horsepower Yanmar engine. And here you have heaters, double heaters. You have all the service parts easy accessible.